Hi beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. It is absolutely stunning day in Christchurch. It's Sunday morning and I thought I would have a chat to you, and then I'm going to do some vlogging of our chicks, and then go to the farm and do a vlog of the lambs and the cows. So I just wanted to, there's two things I wanted to talk about. The first one is the fact that I may have confused you slightly, unintentionally. We live in a house by the beach, and it's just like a 2-minute walk to the sea, which we absolutely love, and we have a big section and we have a lot of chickens and dogs and cats and other things. However, our living or our income is that we own a business or a company, because we own quite a large number of houses and also a property which is the 15-acre farm. So it's got an old farmhouse on the land, and we rent the house out and we use the land. So David goes every day and feeds out, and I go with him whenever I can. And so we have like 20 or 30, probably maybe 40 sheep and lambs now, and a few cows, and there's chickens there as well. And so that's kind of our lifestyle block, but that's about 7 minutes from where we live. So it's kind of all part of our company. So that's our income and that's our job. So where we live is actually at the beach, and we do have chickens and things here, but our farm that I talk about is just about a 7-minute drive from here. So I just thought I may have confused you slightly. Yeah, you may have thought that I was living on that farm, but I don't. So that's one thing I just wanted to clear up. Sorry. So the other thing is just going to be a bit of fun. So I'll take you to the farm today. I'll take you outside quickly to see our little baby chicks, and then it's going to be a secret kind of giveaway throughout this video. And at 2 points, 2 or 3, I haven't decided, 2 points through the vlog, you'll see things that don't quite fit in with the environment, and your job is to spot them. Now I want to run this for about a week so that a few people get to watch it and have a go at the contest. So there will be probably 3 prizes, and that will probably be 3 limecrime lipsticks, and maybe another couple of little things as well. So just leave a comment down below letting me know that you are entering and that you have spotted the items, and then after a week, when I go to pick the winners, or randomly pick the winners, I'll just check that you've got the correct answers for those 3 people, and you will win the prizes. So sorry if that's a bit complicated, but I just wanted it to be a bit fun. If you put the answers down below, then everyone would know the answers straight away. So that's what's going to happen. So yeah, it's just a beautiful Sunday, and we'll go to the farm shortly, but I'll pop outside with the chicks first, and I hope you enjoy the journey. Love you all. Okay, so this is the little chick that is extremely cute. If I can get close enough up to it, you'll see that it looks like it's wearing eyeliner. May have just got a wee peek there. There you go. She just looks like she's wearing eyeliner and mascara. Where have you gone? Come back. Come back. It's her mum. And that little baby's quite small, so it has a separate area to live in. Where are you, little one? Lost you. There you go. You're just beautiful, aren't you? I'm pretty sure this one's a girl, which is good. Boys don't, unfortunately, get to stay around as long as the girls, so there she goes. Okay, so here's 2 of the bigger chicks. They are about 3 weeks old, and they are super cute. If you can see how small they are, you can hear them chirping. There's another one somewhere, I don't know where it's hiding. So that's the three, those three were born the same day. So I can only see two. Can you see the other one, Luke?
Oh, there it is.
Whereabouts?
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, there we go.
This one's here.
Yeah, cuties. Hey. So Luke's just giving them something to eat now. Okay, so there's
There.
interesting looking egg there that she's laid. Oh, she's come out. That's Sandy. Can you get that out for me, darling?
Oh, we got a beautiful
She's
egg.
finally come out. Come on, baby. There you go. Good mum. Good mum. Okay. Those of you who know Copper, he passed away a little while back. This is his dad, and he's just as beautiful and sweet-natured as Copper was. Yes, you're beautiful, aren't you? Yep. You're a really big boy. You can see the size of him compared to the chickens around him. This is one of our, these are our twins. Ooh. They are both roosters, sadly, so I'm not sure what's going to happen to them, but Luke, what are their names?
Crannel. This one's Crannel, that one's Flannel.
So Crannel and Flannel. Very original names, I have to say. Hey guys. Yeah. How's it going? They like Luke, don't you?
Yep.
So they look quite a lot like their dad. Over there. Hello. This is Big Red. He's called Big Red. So that is the end of this little segment, and we're going to head away shortly and show you the lambs and the cows. And thank you to Mr. Luke for helping me with the videoing. You did an awesome job. See you soon. So this is the big old farmhouse at the farm. Some nice green paddocks over there. And there's Luke. Oh, and the dogs. Hello, boys. Hello. So it's empty at the moment, which is the only reason why I am videoing it. So I'll give you a close-up very shortly of the lambs. So the section goes right round to there, and then it goes way back as far as you can see. It's a really pretty time of year. It's David pretending to be a lamb. There's Luke. Hi guys. Hello. It's one of the older lambs. It's okay. There's quite a few over there. Get in a bit closer. So cute. They're going to get detailed today, so feels very sorry for them. What's the matter? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Hey guys. Maybe the first? Maybe the first? Hello.
Hey guys. Oh, I can hear. Hey. Yeah, look at guys.
I need you in here, Luke.
Oh,
Climb
I
up.
didn't hear these anyway.
Let's climb up. I can't do it with the, you need to hold the sheet.
Oh,
Come through.
I love the daisies. I think the daisies against the grass look so pretty. It's just gorgeous. You just want to sit down and have a picnic with your loved ones and the lambs. That is so pretty. Love the daisies. They've been sitting over here while all the wet was going on, otherwise they would have tried to help. In apostrophes. Benji, you're thirsty? I'll get you some water. I'll get you a bowl and we'll get some water, okay? It's warm, isn't it? Must be about 25 degrees. This is me on the back of the tractor.
Tractor?
What is it?
It doesn't look like a tractor to me.
it's a motorcycle.
Motorbike. Random. Whoa, wobbly. Okay.
Actually, look, we'll get this one.
Oh.
Just to prove it, this is
You can put quad bike.
a quad bike. Woo.
This is Mum falling off the quad bike.
Any second now. Ooh. Straight. Ooh. Woo.
Yeah, close it. Oh,
Oh,
now leave it open.
dogs are coming too. Watch your boys.
Leave it open so we can drive straight back.
Yeah, dogs are coming too.
Hello, come on. You sit there for it.
Stay down there, Sam, or you get run over.
You'll be right. You gotta hold on.
Trying to vlog.
It's not a Rolls Royce. Push it back, push the door open. Yeah. Right, now do it.
They look like wee horses. Hey guys.
Holding on.
Asleep in the middle of the paddock. You just go and whip us up some food, Luke, and we'll have a picnic out here.
Oh, yeah. You're supplying the food.
Done. Okay, that's good. Thanks. Guys. I don't know how to drive this, but I would quite like to learn. I wasn't around the paddocks. Luke is behind the camera and the cows are coming really close right now. But it's okay. Don't move it around too fast, darling, it doesn't like it. Move it too fast. But yeah, cool.
It's easier than trying to round them up.
Yeah, these are the sheep that aren't mums, and we put them in a different paddock to the ones that are mums. Sometimes they can be a bit bolshy with the littles. Good boy, Luke.